Today we're going to be taking apart the White Hunter Passport 2 that I just did the original form video of. So, yeah, there's really nothing else to explain. Let's get into it. So now that the school year has started for me, I'm going to be uploading one video a day. This one will probably go out sometime in the first week, but just to make that clear, there's only going to be one video a week now until I have breaks. Whenever I have breaks, like on the weekend is 2 videos, weekdays is 1 video, and on breaks or holidays I'll probably do 2. The only thing to do inside this light kit is loosen these 2 screws. One of them has already come undone, but I'm going to loosen it anyway. These are the original wire nuts. Tuck those in there and put those screws all the way down. I'm gonna leave the canopy on this one and store it in the new room, because why not? These brackets are a little bit bent. I don't feel like dealing with that right now though. Now I gotta put the screw heads back in the light kit. It's supposed to have 4. When I got it home, I took the light kit off and I lost 1 screw. These don't need to be, these screws don't really need to be all present. They don't do that much. They hold the socket piece in place, which doesn't really have any structural importance, but I would have liked if I could have had all of them present. This is probably one of my favorite Hunter lineups, or Hunter line of ceiling fans. Put the shade back on this as well. This is one of my favorite Hunter models. The Passport 2, the Summer Breeze, the original Passport. All their really basic fans were very pleasing to me. This one came from the trash. Very nice shape too. Mechanically, it only needed a new capacitor. Wasn't missing any screws. Cosmetically, it's in beautiful condition. The only issue when I got it, it was real dusty. Like all the way dusty. As dusty as a fan can get, this was that. So probably later today, I don't know when this video is going to be uploaded, but by the time it is, I will have a rug for this room and a couch. This is basically going to be like a lounge area where I film all my videos. But then occasionally I'll go to the outside setting underneath my deck, the front yard setting, which is just in front of my front porch, and the other workshop setting, which is where all the dirty work will get done. Try to move a couple more fans in here. Most of the ceiling fans are going to be stored back there. This is going to be the kind of display room where the interesting pieces are shown off. I've kept up to that standard pretty well. There's a lot of interesting fans in here. A lot. That's good now, so put this on the shelf. switch housing was a bit loose. Seems like it's corrected itself. Motor is gonna go right next to that Hunter Stratford. I enjoy this spot for storing the ceiling fans. I get to look at them. There you go. Got 5 fans down there. The Carousel, the Casablanca Delta, the Redington, the Passport 2, and the Stratford 2. So now we got the blades. Go back to that same spot and take these apart. I need a bag for them. Let's just use this Goodwill bag. And I gotta grab the wrapping for the blade irons. I believe that this is the wrapping. I could be wrong, but it might be a bit too. No, it's good. I think that's the center of the frame. So we'll work right here. Blade's got a bit dirty. His fan's been sitting put together on the floor for a little bit. You can see some of the original dust. It was pretty bad. A lot worse than this. I cleaned it up as best as I could, and it's actually really presentable now. I don't know why I don't do this, but I should start wrapping up the blades in the paper or plastic, whatever I have on hand. Not much, just like a small sheet in between them so that they don't scratch each other up. Just shouldn't, but it's just an extra precaution I can take. Keep these things in good shape. I like how easy the older fans are to work with. There's like stains on the blades for, like there was so much dust accumulated underneath the irons. I believe this was the kitchen ceiling fan, but yeah, there's just so much dust accumulated underneath the irons. It just stained the blades with all the, it was like greasy dust, so it's just stains on the blades of where the irons originally sat. But the other side is the side is thankfully in good shape. Where'd I put the Goodwill bag? I think I put it down somewhere. Right behind me. Pretty big bag, but I had it on hand, so why not use it? Alright, now I gotta wrap the blades up. I think this is the wrap for the Stratford or my Seasons Hugger. I think it's the Seasons Hugger. This is wrong. I should have it labeled as the Passport 2's wrap. It's probably in the other shop, which is a mess right now, so pardon the mess. Should be just lying around somewhere. Don't see it. Wonder where it went. I didn't throw it away. Did I? Hope not. Oh, there it is. It was hiding. Now these can go in the filing cabinet, fan parts. Got a bunch of random junk in here, but there is room for them. There's light kits, blades that I'm too lazy to take off of their brackets, mounting hardware, more light kits. I think the top is just light kit stuff. We got shades and a spotlight kit. This one, more blades. Good thing there's spots for blades, because boy, we got some more blades. Where are the blades for this fan? I'm going to put the screws by the motor. I need to start doing that. There's the full filing cabinet. There's room for plenty of blades in here, so I will use this one. And I could probably also put the light kit in there, so I will go ahead and do that. Plenty of room for it. I'm going to put it in its own little bag here, so that it doesn't get scratched up and so it doesn't scratch other things up. Oh, it fits in the front. That's nice. No, it doesn't. It's too tall. Filing cabinet's a bit finicky, but yeah, thank you guys for watching disassembly of the Hunter Passport 2. I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.